The Delaware Division of Public Health's Bureau of Cancer Prevention and Control is seeking a full-time contractor to serve as program coordinator for the Comprehensive Cancer Control Program. This role is essential in supporting statewide cancer control efforts through program planning, data analysis, community outreach, coalition building, and evaluation. Qualifications include degree in public health, master's preferred, bachelor's with additional experience considered, experience in program planning, evaluation, and coalition building. Strong writing, communication, and presentation skills. Knowledge of cancer prevention and chronic disease management. Residency in Delaware with a valid driver's license and reliable transportation. Apply by December 1, 2025. Send cover letter and resume to the email address in the video description. State offices, including all DPH offices, will be closed tomorrow, November 11, 2025, in honor of Veterans Day.